Hi, my name's Bianca. I'm a business development executive, and I'm here to talk to Armand at 4x4 MegaWorld. So Armand, just give us a 2-minute explanation of what 4x4 MegaWorld does.
Okay, good morning guys, Armand here from 4x4 MegaWorld. Okay, so I'm a designer here at 4x4 MegaWorld, so we do the accessories on all the vehicles. Yeah, we try to do as much as we can for battery accessories, roof consoles, actually anything that's possible that we can do on a vehicle, that's what it does.
That's good. Can you tell me a bit how SOLIDWORKS helps with your design work?
Yeah, definitely. For prototype purposes, you can't always develop a product, manufacture it, and then to wastage. That's where SOLIDWORKS comes in. You minimize the prototype's waste. So on the program, it will show you where lines will line up and all of that stuff. So that's where SOLIDWORKS helps us.
Great news. And tell me, would you refer MECAD to any other customers or people that you know in the area that does the same work as you?
Business, yeah, no, definitely. The support from MECAD is awesome, and yeah, the customer service is just perfect.
Thank you, Armand. Thank you for your time.